If you are dreaming of engineering in India, you have probably heard of IIT. But how hard is it really? Especially if you studied in Tamil Nadu? Let's look at the official numbers from the Ministry of Education's NEF 2025 rankings. Rank 1. IIT Madras, Chennai. Number 1 in India's engineering category for 10 consecutive years. Every single year since the NEF began in 2015. Rank 2. IIT Delhi. Rank 3. IIT Bombay. Rank 4. IIT Kanpur. Rank 5. IIT Kharagpur. Rank 6. IIT Roorkee. Rank 7. IIT Hyderabad. Rank 8. IIT Guwahati. The first 8 positions in India are exclusively held by IITs. Rank 9. NIT Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu's own NIT, and the only NIT in the entire top 10. Rank 10. IIT BHU, Varanasi. One institution that often surprises students, BITS Pilani. Not a government college. Admissions are through BITSAT, BITS Pilani's own highly competitive entrance exam, not JEE Advanced. Yet it is ranked 11 in India, the highest ranked private engineering institution in the country. BITSAT is not an easier alternative. It tests speed and accuracy under intense time pressure, a serious exam that demands serious preparation. Now, the real question. If you are a Tamil Nadu student, how do you actually get into one of these? For BTech admissions, every IIT uses one exam. JEE Advanced. No tenure, no 12th marks shortcut. Just this one exam. In 2025, over 1.8 lakh students wrote JEE Advanced. Only 54,378 qualified. And IITs across the country offer roughly 16,760 BTech seats. That means only 1 in every 3 qualified students actually gets an IIT seat. Here is something most coaching ads will not tell you. JEE Advanced is conducted in English and Hindi. For students who studied primarily in Tamil medium, adapting to an English or Hindi exam may add an extra challenge, beyond just mastering the syllabus. But it's absolutely achievable. All the very best, subscribe. Comment which college you are aiming for.